When your family could be impacted by a hurricane, you want to be protected by the best products with the best company. That's us here at Category 5. We manufacture and install all types of hurricane protection, decorative metals, Bahamas, colonials, accordion shutters, all types of roll screens, roller bug screens, roller hurricane screens. We have products that exceed all expectations in the market. There's so many products on the market today that you're gonna find and you're gonna see that do the same thing, but don't look as good, don't perform as good. We had an EF3 tornado, just barrage one homeowner with 1 million terracotta roof tiles. So these terracotta roof tiles just beat and beat and beat our screen. Couple of small nicks and tears in the screens, very small, absolutely saved this homeowner from utter devastation. All their non-impact doors and furniture inside their patio completely intact. What I do every day, every single day, week, month, every year, it's gonna boil down to one day and one event. And that's what I'm passionate about, keeping these families safe. You can reach us at our office, 561-777-2491. Don't be afraid to look us up on Instagram, Facebook. You will not be displeased with anything you'll find.